Lately, I have gotten a new camera, but that is a topic for another video. Basically, I wanted to actually get secondary replacement batteries. And a lot of times you'll hear how people talk about how the replacement batteries are not as good, not even close to as good as the ones that the company produces. Well, what if I told you there is a company here in Poland that ships worldwide, it creates amazing batteries. Trust me, because I actually have one that I used before. It's a Greencell battery for the Panasonic G9. So let's talk about this today. A lot of times people talk about how the replacement batteries are not that good. I didn't only get the Greencell one. I also have like a different one that is a different knockoff brand. That is true. The replacement batteries a lot of times are pretty much maybe like 50% of the strength that a normal battery has. And when I recently got a new camera, I thought, you know what, I want to have a secondary battery, but I know where I'm gonna head to. I'm gonna go to the Greencell. And I got in contact with them. And soon enough, I was talking with the marketing specialist at Greencell. So before we actually start this video, just know that this is not sponsored video by Greencell. Basically, it is my own opinion that I formed when using the batteries from them. And because I got in contact with them and I was lucky enough, they actually let me come into their office, see how they work, and get a little bit more knowledge about the company, also see how it works from the inside, and also I got this, which is a package full of things from the Greencell company. I have not opened the things that are inside, so we're gonna do a little unboxing today. And not only talking about the batteries, but all the products that they have. Because I think that the company is doing such a great work. The prices are really amazing. I'm gonna actually have the prices below the video if you're interested in that kind of stuff. Like I said, they ship worldwide, and the batteries, like this one for the Panasonic, I think it works even better than the original that I have with the Panasonic G9. Let's get into the unboxing, and let's talk. While we do this, we're gonna talk about the company and the replacement batteries that they offer. First things first, let's open the box. You know, one of the things that I enjoy about this company from the product that I have in this box right now is the way they pack everything. And I'm not talking about this, you know, this gift box, this beautiful box that I have, which is right away showing the quality of the company, but also there's a couple things that I wanted to mention. All the products that are in here, even like the booklet about the products that they have, everything is packed in very cool ways. So let's first unpack this little box. First off, what we have is this booklet, which will actually show you the products that they have. So it's a very cool thing. You can actually check out all the products, like the USB hubs, the batteries, the cables, everything that they offer you can find in this booklet, which is very cool. As you can see, a lot of things to see from this booklet. It even has in Polish what their vision, their mission is, which I think is a very cool way of showing what they have. They even have this, where you can actually see what they're focusing on. But mostly it is about the batteries, about the, you know, the energy side of things. You see, the company actually started in 2013. And you see, from the talk that we had in the office with the marketing specialist, they're trying to reduce the waste, and also they're trying to make batteries that are actually strong. From the testing that they did, they actually made a battery for the laptops that was about 50% stronger than the battery that is normally in that laptop. I think it was Samsung. Whatever the batteries are, they're trying to make them as good as possible. And like I said, we actually got to visit the inside. It was very cool to see like the design part or the consumer department. We also got to see where they actually have, you know, where they actually cut things out, where they do all those experiments and that kind of stuff, which is very cool. Overall, the quality is everywhere. Every single moment you are in the company, whether you're buying the products, you can feel the quality, like the material quality, the packaging, everything is amazing. So starting off with this package, we're gonna actually start with the smallest thing. So that is gonna be the battery for the Sony a7 III. So that is a big hint what I'm gonna be working on right now. But basically it is packaged just like the other one that I have for Panasonic. And as you can see, I didn't open anything yet because, to be honest, this was more like a, you know, something they gave me to try out how it works, and it is mostly for travel oriented and how the other things work, because I know the batteries work great. And because of that, I have great faith in the company. Like the packaging, you will see from the packaging already, it is beautiful. It's gonna be as good as the Sony one. So it's gonna be very good to have this one so that I have 2 batteries for the camera. Okay, I'm gonna have to actually tell you, I'm using the Sony a7 III. The thing is, they don't actually include the charger. And here is where Greencell steps up again. What they have is this battery charger, because normally the a7 III doesn't come with a charger, it comes with a cable and that is all. Well, look what we have here. We have a charger for the a7 III. Right now we can charge our batteries without having to connect the cable to the camera to charge the batteries. So as you can see, they're not only making batteries, but also accessories for the batteries. And like I said, the packaging is very, very cool. Like all the things that they package is shipped in a very nice, this is all in cardboard. So there's pretty much no waste going from this. You can recycle this if you want, or you can just keep it. I'm gonna keep it because it looks cool. Next up, for the battery packages, I have this, which is gonna be the drone battery. So let's open this up. This should be a battery, if I'm not wrong, for the MAVIC Pro that I own. So let's see what we have in here. It's pretty tightly packed. We have a little booklet, but I'm gonna discard it for a second. And let's see how we have the battery for the MAVIC Pro. As you can see, it's normal MAVIC Pro battery. It's a replacement battery. Oh, and it has a really cool lighting, a little bit different than normally. And as you can see, it's a Greencell battery. Looks very good. Should be very nice. The specification of this battery is actually the same exact as the specifications on the original DJI MAVIC Pro battery. So moving batteries aside, let's move on to something different. Some things that are very cool for travel, and that is where we spoke with the marketing specialist, and he wanted to give us something that will actually help us on our journey. You see, a lot of times you're gonna find yourself with a need of power adapter. And basically what it is a power adapter. You know, a lot of times the outlet is different in different countries. And this thing actually has everything. But once again, look at the packaging. So you're opening the box and look what we have. A nice carrying case for the converter. It's very cool. It's called Easy Travel, by the way. And as you open it, it comes in this. What it is, like I said before, a lot of times you'll find that there's different outlets in different places. And can I just talk about how good of a quality this is? Like, the plastics are amazing. And like I said, I didn't open anything from here yet. So this is like pretty much unboxing for me too. So basically you can input any outlet you have, and then you can just choose which one you want. So like, for example, European, you can change that to, let's see what this one is. This is the USA. It even is spelled out USA. You know, depending where you go, you can actually choose. I think this one is the Australian. Correct me if I'm wrong. So as you can see, there is different. And then this one is the UK, I guess, right? Isn't that UK? Three pins. And you just have to click it to get it back down. But there is one thing that they did to up the standard compared to other power adapters. Well, this one actually has 2 USBs for your mobile devices. So if you have a phone, you can actually use the USBs in here to connect other things. So basically you could have like a laptop that is connected to some other devices that is charging already, and then these 2 USBs for another thing. So, like I said, the packaging is amazing. And I just wanted to say one more thing. Just know that the prices are pretty normal in Polish zloty. But remember that we're talking about US dollars here. Prices are very, very affordable. Like the prices are pretty much as cheap as you can probably get, but at the same time, the quality is really there. And I'm not saying this because I got something. It's actually because I already bought my own batteries from them, and I was so happy with them that I even contacted them. Like, that is the reason I even have this opportunity. You know, seeing even like the things like here, the packaging, that is so incredible. Like, putting this in your backpack is gonna be like no brainer really. You're not gonna be carrying this just, you know, scratching your camera or something. It is gonna be in package. So if you want even more energy, well, we have this, and look what we have in here. Let's open this up, and once again, the packaging, the quality. This is actually a power bank. It's called POWERPLAY. It's a power bank and it even has ultra charge, meaning that you can have the fast charging capabilities that normally you would only have pretty much like in the sockets. Now you can actually have it from a power bank. And it's a 10K power bank from what I see, but look at the packaging. Once again, so cool. It can charge up to 3 separate devices. Also, it has the flight ready, stunning, durable, and unique design, which is very cool. And just one more thing that I wanted to mention, I'm looking here because I'm trying to read that out. There's a USB-C, there's a pass-through function, and then there's the fast charging that you can get even 80% charge within 35 minutes. So it's a very strong power bank. And if we're on the topic of energy and having multiple connections, we have this thing, which is a USB dongle. Basically, as you can see, packaging once again is beautiful, but I'm not gonna open it just yet. I wanted to mention a couple things about this dongle. Basically, it has the 4K Ultra HD HDMI output, and the USB-C hub is very cool because on our laptops we have USB-C, but we never really get to use them. And here's the thing that is gonna be making this device very cool. I'm gonna show you in a second how small it is, but this has Type-C port, this is a HDMI port, 3 USB ports, 1 SD card slot, and 1 micro SD slot. And thanks to this, right now from a computer that has 3 USBs, I'm gonna have like a 6 USBs, from having one SD card to having pretty much 3, because I can now get 2 cards from the camera and like the DDO Small Action or the MAVIC Pro at the same time. So that is gonna be very handy, but the second thing is it's very small. Let's see how small the thing is. If you open up the package, let's open it here. If you open up this package, as you can see, it's very, very small. And look at how tiny this is. Like this is look how tiny that is. And it has such a great strength in having so many different outlets, and like I said, it is tiny, and the quality of the materials is so amazing. So this was pretty much like the unboxing of what we got from Greencell. Main thing that I wanted to bring from this video was not, what we got. It was more that there is a company called Greencell in Poland that ships worldwide products that are actually just as good, if not better, than the original from the manufacturers. The quality is definitely there, the company is constantly growing, the atmosphere even inside this, inside their workplace was just fantastic. Everything seems to be very, very good. You can definitely see how it is a company that is going in this long term, that they're trying to be the best quality possible and lower the costs. So basically you can get very strong devices for not that much money. And if you're interested in Greencell, check out the link below for their website. It is gonna be the global website, so you can check it from wherever you are. And like I said, they're shipping globally. Remember that the Polish zloty is not gonna be as strong as the US dollar, for example. So these things are really, really priced well, especially for someone that is gonna be using US dollar or like euros. And like I said, the company started in 2013, but they're very quickly growing. And not only in the personal ways, but also in the market. And like I said, I wanted to just mention a couple things in this video. Wanted to mention that there's a company, Greencell, which makes very good products that I will definitely recommend. And I'll definitely be using, because all of this is very handy for travelers. But if you're doing something else, not travel oriented, they have everything from batteries to accumulators, everything that you might need. So before we end this video, a couple things really quickly. First off, if you would like the music in this video or any other of my videos, check out Epidemic Sound. It's gonna be linked down below. Second thing, if you want to join a travel community, here is Travel the World. It's a Facebook travel community that you should definitely check out if you're into that kind of stuff. And last but not least, if you want to support this channel, check out the Patreon link below, and you can get something back from the Patreon. So that's gonna be it for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video once again, and I'll see you next time.